where we have delicious dialogue and courageous conversations about the things that matter, about the things that help to transform our lives, about how to touch the next best version of ourselves. I love your comments. I love the feedback. I love the aha moments. I love what comes up for you and what you're thinking and what occurs when you're looking at the videos. I love the dialogue between different tribe members when we're talking. I love the support. Please continue to comment. Your comments mean the world to me. And now I want to share with you my understanding of everything happens for a reason. Someone just recently asked, what does that mean, Lisa, when it says everything happens for a reason? Well, I have 4 things. 1, it's a mindset. It's a mindset that allows us to divorce ourselves from our need to control all things. Oh, Lord, I know I need to continuously divorce myself from the mindset that I can control all things. So number 1, I think making the statement everything happens for a reason allows you to relax and let go a bit and really divorce yourself from the belief system that you need to control all things. And number 2, I think that it lends to this great statement that I once heard years ago. I don't know who I heard it from first. I didn't create it. It just has been a lifesaver for me. And that's the quote, man's rejection is God's protection. Whew. For me, that means when things don't go the way I thought they should go, sometimes it's not only okay, it's for the best. That there's something I couldn't even see. Now, the word man is used loosely. Man's rejection is God's protection. Can also be a woman, could also be a job, could also be a project, could also be a career. It could be anything. But for me, it says when this door doesn't open for you, it's because you're being protected. Not only is there another door, but that door wouldn't serve you at the highest level if you went any further. Man's rejection is God's protection. It's been life for me. And 3, to recognize there are blessings even in the no, even in the breakup, even in the release of a job, even in the you didn't get the proposal, even in that thing that you thought you should have. In the no lives blessings as well. And 4, really understanding that everything happens for a reason is an invitation to see beyond the inconvenience in the moment into the learning lesson. Everything happens for a reason. Watch this. Everything happens right here for a reason. It's an invitation for you to see beyond the inconvenience, beyond the rejection, beyond the loss of a job, a career, a loved one, for the lesson or the opportunity. Sometimes the hardest thing for you to do is to reach past pain and grab an opportunity to learn. Reach past pain and grab some compassion. Reach past pain and grab the blessings of the existence, especially in loss. But I believe that there's an invitation. You don't have to accept the invitation. But there's, in every difficult moment, there's an invitation to see beyond the inconvenience, to see beyond the pain, to what's the learning lesson, what's the opportunity, what's the blessing. Now remember, this show is not just a monologue. It's a dialogue. It's a delicious conversation between 2 people, actually between about 200,000 people or so. A tribe, a community. I would love to hear from you. What was the big aha in this? What have you been holding on to? You couldn't find reason for it. What have you been frustrated about? And one of the 4 things I've said went, oh, that might just be it. Please leave me a comment below and let me know. I'd love to hear, oh, I realized that. Show me that you could see the lesson beyond the inconvenience, the lesson beyond the inconvenience. Please let me know what that is. Let me know the lesson that you get. Let me know the lesson that may not have come to you in the moment, but eventually you end up getting it. And leave a comment. Let me know. And then be sure to subscribe if you haven't already done so. Listen, we are fam now. You got to subscribe and just join the tribe and look out for more content, more dialogue, more courageous conversations. After all, this is your home. And we here, we're your tribe, your weird, strange, unique unicorn tribe. Yes, that's us. And I will always be your sister in prosperity and in possibility. And every single time that I say that I believe in you and I love you, it's not for lack of other words. No, it's simply because I do. I believe in you and I love you. And I cannot wait to see you real soon.